Is your hair breaking every time you touch it? Falling out in the shower? Getting thinner and nobody can tell you why? You're not alone. And you're not powerless. What if the solution was already in your kitchen and it's been working for centuries? Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful natural secrets that have helped thousands of people grow stronger, thicker, healthier hair. Stay until secret number 5. It's the one most people completely ignore, and it could be the reason your hair isn't growing. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Weak, breaking hair is not just a cosmetic problem. It's a signal. Your hair is telling you something is wrong inside your body. Poor nutrition, hormonal imbalances, scalp inflammation, stress on the follicles. These are the real root causes of hair loss and breakage. And the billion-dollar hair product industry? It masks the symptoms. It does not solve the root cause. The good news? Nature already solved this problem thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations from India to Egypt to Japan discovered specific plants, oils, and ingredients that target the exact biological mechanisms responsible for hair strength and growth. Today, you're going to learn all 7 of them. Let's start with the most scientifically validated one. Secret number 1, rosemary oil. Don't underestimate this herb. A 2015 clinical study published in the journal Scalp compared rosemary oil directly to minoxidil, the leading pharmaceutical hair loss treatment. The result? Rosemary oil performed equally as well, with 0 side effects. Here's how it works. Rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation in your scalp. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your hair follicles. Dormant follicles, the ones that have stopped producing hair, begin to wake up. How to use it. Mix 3 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil with 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil coconut or jojoba work best. Massage it gently into your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. You will start to see results within 4 to 6 weeks. Be consistent. Don't give up. Secret number 2, aloe vera. Your scalp is the foundation of your hair. If the foundation is inflamed, clogged, or imbalanced, nothing grows. Aloe vera contains enzymes called proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes repair dead skin cells on the scalp. They unclog follicles blocked by excess sebum, the natural oil that, when overproduced, suffocates your hair roots. Aloe vera also has a pH level nearly identical to your hair. That means it restores balance without stripping or damaging anything. And unlike shampoos full of sulfates, it cleans without causing harm. How to use it. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf or use 100% pure store-bought gel. Apply directly to your scalp and hair from root to tip. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this treatment twice a week for best results. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will notice less breakage and a calmer, healthier scalp. Wait before secret number 3, a quick question. Have you ever tried a natural remedy for your hair and stopped after 2 weeks because it wasn't working? That's the most common mistake. Hair grows approximately 1 centimeter per month. Change happens slowly, but it does happen. Keep watching. Secret number 4 and number 5 are the most powerful remedies on this list. Secret number 3, castor oil. This is one of the most powerful oils for hair strength in the world. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that penetrates deep into the hair shaft. It doesn't just coat the surface, it rebuilds from within. It reduces protein loss from each strand, making your hair harder to break. It also has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, protecting your scalp from infections that silently kill follicles. And its thick consistency forms a protective barrier around each strand, locking in moisture and preventing the environmental damage that causes brittleness. How to use it. Castor oil is thick. Mix it 50/50ths with coconut oil to make it easier to apply. Focus on your scalp and the tips of your hair, which are the most fragile. Leave it on for a minimum of 1 hour, ideally overnight under a shower cap. Use once per week. This is your weekly deep strength treatment. If this information is helping you, take a second and subscribe. Every week, we share natural remedies backed by science to help you live a healthier, stronger life. Now let's get to secret number 4. This one surprises people every time. Secret number 4, onion and ginger juice. This smells strong. I know, but the results are undeniable. Onion is one of the richest natural sources of sulfur on Earth. And sulfur is one of the most critical minerals for hair protein production. Your hair is made primarily of keratin, a protein built from amino acids that require sulfur to form properly. Without enough sulfur, your keratin is weak. Your hair breaks easily. Your follicles shrink. Onion juice applied to the scalp also increases the production of catalase, an enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide in the scalp. Why does that matter? Because hydrogen peroxide buildup is one of the primary causes of premature graying and follicle death. Ginger amplifies this by stimulating blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and delivering powerful antioxidants directly to your roots. How to use it? Blend 1 medium onion and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Strain the juice. Apply to your scalp with a cotton ball or gloved hands. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse with a gentle shampoo. Use twice per week. Within 3 to 4 weeks, many people report significantly reduced hair fall. And yes, the smell washes off completely. Secret number 5, the egg protein mask. This is the most underestimated treatment on this entire list. Remember, your hair is protein, keratin, amino acids. When your hair lacks protein, it becomes elastic and weak. It stretches when wet and snaps when dry. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources in nature. They contain all essential amino acids your follicles need to build strong, resilient hair strands. The yolk is also rich in biotin vitamin B7, which directly supports keratin infrastructure. And the whites contain lysozyme, which cleanses the scalp while nourishing the follicle. How to use it? Beat 2 whole eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey adds moisture and prevents the treatment from feeling drying. Apply from roots to tips. Cover with a shower cap. Leave for 30 minutes, no more. Rinse with cool water only. Hot water will cook the egg and make it hard to remove. Use once per week as your protein treatment. Be careful if your hair is already high in protein. Doing this too often can cause stiffness. Once a week is the sweet spot. Secret number 6, green tea scalp rinse. Green tea is famous for its antioxidant content. But most people don't know what it does for hair. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that inhibit an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme converts testosterone into DHT, dihydrotestosterone. DHT is the hormone directly responsible for follicle miniaturization. It shrinks your follicles until they stop producing hair entirely. This is the mechanism behind the most common form of hair loss in both men and women. Green tea applied topically begins to block this process. It also reduces scalp inflammation, one of the hidden contributors to hair thinning that most people never address. How to use it? Brew 2 bags of green tea in 2 cups of hot water. Let it cool completely. After shampooing, pour it over your scalp and hair as a final rinse. Do not rinse out. Let it air dry. Use 3 times per week for best results. This is your simplest treatment and one of the most powerful. Secret number 7. The ancient secret. Rice water. For centuries, women in Japan, China, and Southeast Asia have used rice water to achieve extraordinary hair length and strength. The Yao women of Huangluo village in China, known as the Long Hair Village, have hair averaging 1.4 meters long. Their average hair length retention over a lifetime is nearly double the global average. Their secret? Rice water used for generations. Modern science has confirmed why it works. Rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that penetrates damaged hair and repairs it from the inside. Unlike most nutrients that can only coat the surface, inositol stays inside the hair strand even after rinsing. It reduces surface friction, increases elasticity, and strengthens each strand against physical damage. Rice water also contains amino acids that reinforce the hair root and vitamins B, C, and E that nourish the follicle. How to use it? Rinse 1 cup of white rice with water to remove impurities. Discard this first water. Soak the rice in 2 to 3 cups of fresh water for 30 minutes. Strain out the rice. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This fermentation process increases the nutrient content significantly. Apply to your scalp and hair, massage for 5 minutes, leave for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Now you have 7 secrets. Here's how to use them together without overwhelming yourself. Monday, rosemary oil massage plus green tea rinse after wash. Wednesday, onion plus ginger juice treatment. Thursday, green tea rinse after wash. Friday, castor oil plus coconut oil overnight treatment. Saturday, rice water treatment plus egg mask alternate weekly. Sunday, aloe vera treatment plus rest. You don't need to do everything at once. Start with 2 or 3 secrets. Build the habit, then add more. Consistency over 30 days is worth more than perfection for 3 days. Your hair's health is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Feed it, nourish it. Be patient with it. Don't wait for the problem to get worse. These natural secrets have been proven by science and trusted by generations. The only thing left is for you to start. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe for more natural health and well-being content every week. And share this with someone whose hair needs help right now. Take care of yourself.